Well, hello and welcome back. It is time once again to try to fix something, anything. And today on the workbench, I'm going to be looking at another PS5. This one, I believe, is a power on-off or a beep on-off, whatever you'd like to call it. So this could be an interesting one, or very frustrating. Let's just see what it does. Blue light, off. I click it again, it should go. That actually is turning it off when you press it that second time. And I hit it again. So, yeah, that's what we're starting with. A beep on off. So let's get some covers off and let's just see if somebody's been into it before. And with the side plate off, we can see that, yes, indeed, someone has been in it before. So, oh well. But I do see all the screws. I think I see every screw so far. Let's get some plastic off and see what we see underneath that. All right, we are down to the circuit board, and I was getting ready to carry it over to my Windows PC to read the codes, the error codes, because it's shutting down. And then I noticed something. If you look right over here, oops, really zoomed in, didn't we? See the liquid metal on that RAM? There, and oh my goodness, right there. So we've had a liquid metal spill. So I think I need to deal with that before I bother reading any codes or doing anything else. See if I can clean that up. How did it get on this side of the board? The liquid metal's on the other side of the board. You know what I'm saying? On the APU. How did it get to the RAM side of the board? Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this board out then and see if we can clean up what we can find there, because that's probably giving us a short. It's definitely giving us a short. Well, I took the APU clamp off, and yeah, that spill there goes all the way. It looks like it's shorting, you know, one of the APU power rails right there. Probably, yeah, I got it all over my fingers. Okay. Let me get the board. Let's see what's on the other side of the board. Well, what has happened here? It almost looks like somebody has added liquid metal to it. Let me get this board flipped over. Oh my goodness. That is extensive. It seems like a lot of liquid metal, like more than should usually be there, but maybe I'm wrong. Because of that, well, it would have had to have had a drop, I would think, to dislodge that much liquid metal. But still, it looks like so much. Okay, well, let me get to rounding this stuff up, if I can. Let's get to it. All right then, after a lot of cleaning, I don't know, a good 20-30 minutes of cleaning, getting liquid metal out from under RAM ICs at the edge of the APU. I'm hoping it's not under the APU. It's always a possibility. It could still be under one or more of the RAM ICs because it is everywhere. But I'm going to give it a try now. No fan. I just want to see if it'll stay on. Let's just see. I've got power into it over there. Let's just see if she will stay on. Yeah, she's staying on. I don't have a monitor hooked to it. Oh, white light. That's amazing. That's beautiful to see. It's probably going to do a storage check. I'm going to wait. See if it goes back to a blue to do its storage check. No. No. I don't have the fan on it right now, obviously, but I do have the clamp is on the APU, so it would take a little while to overheat. Well, I thought I was going to leave it on long enough to do the storage check. Okay. If we're not going to do one, then I will force it down by holding the power button. I don't think we're going to do one. Okay. Let's do this then. Second beep. All right. Now we're shutting down. Do a nice orderly shutdown. And we are off. There we go. Oh, I think we may have dodged a bullet with this one. So, all right, let me look around. I'll get it hooked up to a monitor. Let's just see what kind of picture we get. Well, let's see if we get a picture on this console. I still didn't hook the fan up. I won't leave it on very long. Yep, we have a picture. Good. The port looked beautiful, so it shouldn't be a problem. Is it initialized? I've got the sound muted. I believe she's been initialized. Yep. Okay. Let's see if it'll connect to the controller. Oh, I didn't connect the ribbon cable. Now we connected. All right, I think we're going to work. Let me do some final cleanup on this one and we'll give it a good test. Well, this PS5 has been fully reassembled, cleaned up pretty well, and is running well. No problems whatsoever. So I'll give this one a good bit more testing, maybe turn around different directions to make sure there's no surprises. But I think she's going to fully recover. Well, I hope you liked that one. Thought it was somewhat interesting, educational, entertaining, any of the above. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in that very next repair. Bye for now.